In the last video, I discussed how I lost the bid twice and how the property went back on the market, and on the third attempt, my bid was accepted. I also provided a breakdown on the rental income, expenses, and how I acquired funding to purchase this property with $0 using other people's money. Correction, I did put $1,000 down, escrow, after my bid was accepted. Check out that video to get the details on that. Hey, it's Chris Batista with She Saves, He Invests, They Travel. Hey, several months have passed now, I know, and I haven't given you an update on this condo that was purchased last year. In this video, I'm going to go over the before and after improvements, the cost of improvements, and what the current value of this property is now, and how much income this property generates. But not before you like and subscribe. These videos take a lot of time, and I'd appreciate it if you did support our channel by liking and subscribing. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison, and as we first walk into the kitchen, you'll see that there's not much of a difference between before and after. We just give it a nice fresh new paint coat, cleaned up that stove, replaced the fridge, changed out the socket, and we definitely replaced that dishwasher. But the main difference is going to be that living room. The living room had a lot of carpet. We took that out, and as you see, we replaced it with a nice clean tile look and a fresh mint paint coat. A few other things I want to point out. We did have to remove tile that was in the kitchen, and we did replace some lights. There's one in the kitchen and one over that dining room table. As you see, we have some nice fresh baseboards painted white. We also replaced a fan in the living room. Now obviously we could have spent a little more time putting new granite countertops, painting those cabinets white, giving it more of a cleaner look. Our goal was to get in and out as soon as possible and without spending too much money and time. And I think we successfully accomplished that. This hallway had some old carpet, some old closet doors. We replaced the fire detector, painted the walls, and we were good to go. In both rooms, we replaced the carpet, we replaced the fans, we left the baseboards, and we painted everything from the baseboard and the walls the same color as the living room. The closets, we kept it the same color as it was before, just did a refresh paint on it. But as you can see, the other room is exactly the same, and we just kept it simple. As you see, we have the bathroom right here. We didn't do anything special. We painted it up, put a GFI breaker, put a new switch in, and that was it. Now, of course, we could have replaced the cabinets, did a whole new renovation in the bathroom with tile. That would have taken some more time and obviously cost us probably $5,000 to $7,000. Why replace it when it's in decent shape and doesn't look bad? And to give you a financial breakdown, the monthly rent is $1,275, so that generates $15,300 a year. HOA fees are $300 a month, that's $3,600. Property taxes at $1,230. Annual repairs $500. Loan payments $5,098.80. So net income for the year is $4,872. Now that's not a lot of money, but remember, total renovations cost $4,000. Escrow was $1,000 to purchase this property of $89,000. So at the end of the day, I only used $5,000 of my own money. And recently, a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath sold in the same complex without renovations for $121,000. If I could offer you one bit of advice, is to keep it simple. This is a rental property. Fix it, rent it.